I'm going to make Karen's cheese dip that's worth stealing.
We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Cayenne motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
1 package of cream cheese. I got a half a cup of mayonnaise, not Miracle Whip, mayonnaise. Half a cup of sour cream, some cayenne pepper, 4 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, finely shredded, the more shredded the better. And I'm going to chop up some jalapeno peppers. These just came out of a jar. You can use fresh. Maybe a little more. That's about 1/8 of a cup, which is 3 tablespoons. And if you want hotter, a little more. Don't want that hot, don't use that much. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my cream cheese in my bowl. And it's best to use cream cheese that has gotten to room temperature. But I never think about it in time, so I'm going to microwave it. Just to soften it up enough I can mix it with my mixer. For about 30 seconds. Kind of switch. Softens it up a little bit. I'm going to put a half a cup of sour cream in there. Half a cup of mayo. My chopped up jalapenos, and I may decide to add more later. Get them all off of that cutting board there. And my 4-cup bag, 1 pound of cheese. And I'm just going to throw in a few little dashes of cayenne. Want some of that after fact heat as well. And I mix that on high for a full minute because I want it to get mixed really well. And then I'm going to sample it. More pepper. Let's see how much we got left in here. I can cut them up.
Juice.
Yeah, I could put some juice in it. I really don't want to water it down, but so that's probably another tablespoon there. So that's probably 4 tablespoons that I put in there. And a little more dusting of cayenne. All the little green dots in there, the jalapenos that are in there, that looks about right. Take a new spoon here. Try this out again. Good. Dave, you want to try it?
Sure. That's good. But from past experiences, it'll get warmer.
Yeah, it'll gather a little more heat as it sits in the fridge.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now here's the thing with this dip. I just put it into plastic containers after this, and I put it in the refrigerator. And let me show you a couple things here. This is very low carb. It's a good keto recipe. Therefore, celery is excellent with this. Dave likes it with Fritos.
Fritos scoops.
And any kind of a chip dip for like Doritos or
Oh yeah.
what do you, like tortilla chips.
Tortilla
Chips, those
yeah.
are all good. This is going to harden up in the fridge. It's good hard, but once it hardens up, it's really good if you stick it in the microwave. That's what we're having for lunch. It's going to be stiff when you put it in the refrigerator. Just stick it in a bowl and heat it up for like 30 seconds. It's good cold out of the fridge, but I think it's even better.
Better hot.
Better hot.
Warm.
When you take it out of the microwave, stir it up, and it'll be, you can see like the strings cheese. That's some good dip there. It's good on hamburgers.
Oh, it's great on hamburgers. And
It's-
French fries.
And scrambled eggs.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that. Super Bowl!
Yep. Anybody say Super Bowl? Oh yeah.
The reason why I call this cheese dip good enough to steal is because I took this to the New Year's Eve party at San Benito, Fun and Son, and I took it with Fritos. And we got up to go dancing. We came back. The people were sitting across from us were gone, and so was our Fritos and our bowl of dip. So I know it's worth stealing. It's really good, and it's so easy.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.